morning everybody, a warm welcome aboard this British Airways A320 for Manchester. My name is Sam Faruqi, I'm pleased to be your first stop for today's flight. I'm joining today on the flight.
And tie them securely in a double bow at the side. The air can be topped up using this mouthpiece, and the whistle and light can be used to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Should we need to evacuate, move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now. Please locate your nearest exit and remember that it may be behind you. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. High-heeled shoes must be taken off as they may tear the slide. Please now check that your seat is in the upright or take-off position with the armrest down, and that your table is folded away, personal devices unplugged, and that the window blinds are open, ready for takeoff. Please study the safety card in your seat area before we depart, as this contains important safety information, including details on your brace position. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew.